This module explores the critical responsibilities that define a real estate professional's duty of reasonable skill and care in Arizona. At its core, a licensee must act as a trusted advisor, ensuring accuracy, honesty, and diligence in all communications and client interactions. First, a licensee must accurately communicate material information and ensure that all disclosures provided in a transaction are complete and truthful. Material information refers to any fact that could influence a party's decision to buy, sell, or lease property, such as known defects, prior repairs, liens, or zoning restrictions. Under ARS, paragraph 32 to 153, and AAC, R4 to 28, 101H, K, a licensee who knowingly or negligently provides false or incomplete information can face disciplinary action, including suspension or revocation. Real estate case law, such as Hill v. Jones, 1986, has firmly established that failing to disclose known defects, even repaired ones, constitutes misrepresentation. Second, licensees have a duty to refer clients to appropriate experts when an issue falls outside their professional competence. Real estate transactions often touch on areas such as structural integrity, environmental hazards, legal disputes, or tax implications. Under AAC R4 28 01K, the licensee must advise clients to consult professionals, such as attorneys, inspectors, or engineers, rather than providing advice beyond their licensing authority. For instance, a licensee should not interpret soil contamination reports or provide legal guidance about forming an LLC. This standard of referral is supported by Lombardo v. Albu, 1997, which clarified that a licensee must act as a reasonably prudent professional, knowing when to defer to experts. Finally, a licensee must assist clients in verifying the accuracy of information relevant to a transaction. This does not mean guaranteeing every fact, but it requires reasonable effort to confirm critical details, such as verifying property boundaries, ensuring that disclosed permits exist, and confirming financial information with reliable sources. The obligation under AAC R4 28 1101I ensures that clients are not misled by assumptions or incomplete data. A practical example is confirming discrepancies between county assessor records and MLS listings. Failing to do so could expose the licensee to claims of negligence. Together, these three obligations uphold the ethical and legal integrity of Arizona's real estate profession. They safeguard the consumer, preserve trust, and ensure that licensees operate within the boundaries of their knowledge and authority while supporting clients with diligence and honesty. Key takeaways. Always verify and communicate material information accurately to all parties. Recognize when to refer clients to specialists such as attorneys, inspectors, or environmental experts. Help clients confirm important facts through independent documentation or professional review. Maintain written records of all disclosures, verifications, and referrals for compliance protection. Supporting sources and case law ARS. Paragraph 32 to 153. Prohibits misrepresentation or incompetence. AAC R4 to 28 1101 HK. Defines professional duties of competence, accuracy, and referral. Hill v. Jones, 151, ARS 81, Apsher 1986. Establishes duty to disclose prior defects. Lombardo v. Albu, 1999 ARS 97, 1997. Defines standard of care for reasonable professionals. In summary, a skilled and ethical licensee in Arizona does more than facilitate transactions. They protect the client's interests by providing verified information, referring to experts when necessary, and exercising professional diligence at every step. These principles form the foundation of client trust and compliance with the Arizona Department of Real Estate's standards.